Alright guys, so I bought this on eBay. It's a keroheat ctn-110. It's 10,000 BTU kerosene heater, but I'm gonna see if I can make it run on diesel fuel. So I got it, it said used, but apparently it's just a scratch and dent deal. Got some bangs on it because it's brand new. It hasn't been used. So yeah, let me get set up here. So the tank's right up in here. We'll pop that out first, and it's got it tells how full it is on this, and that goes right into this section right here. So you see how full it is in there. You can tell how full it is. So hopefully that sits in there properly, because this doesn't seem to be anything holding it or anything. It seems like it just sets in there, so maybe it's the weight of it. I don't know. Pop that out. Let's see if I can hold on, let me see if I can get a better camera angle on this. Alright. So we gotta get this thing open. Let's see what we got here. Some tape. Get all this tape off of this. This opens or anything. Not sure how this is off of here. I know this opens up somehow for me to get in. I'm not sure how. So, not sure how, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop. Looks like there's 2 screws in the front, 2 screws in the top back. I'm just going to get this top to come off. Let me find a Phillips head. So I just took the one out. That allowed me to get it out. I'm sure it's supposed to have more than that out, because it doesn't even want to come out at the bottom of this. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I see. It's down too far. This thing got jammed on its top. Alright, we got that out. We should have been able to get this out without it doing that. It was just jammed in to the bottoms. Get this out. Glass globe. So be careful. Got 500 Wick in it, just like all the old timers, or the other ones really. So 500 Wick in it. So this should go on like this. That right there. That should be it. That should be fine. I gotta get that Phillips head on the other side. Let me get it. Alright, so I took, and after I got that off and I've got it down now, I dented the back side down. Now it sits in there right. So if yours is slipping in, you just gotta dent the back side of each of them down in, and it won't slide in on it anymore. That's all it took for that. Now I just got to put these Phillips head screws back in and screw it back down. Alright, so now we're going to put the batteries in. We got spot back here that they go. It came with these cheap Chinese batteries, but it was missing one of them. So I just went and got some Duracells. Whoop. Oh, where'd you go? Like so. Hopefully that's all right. It looks like the wires are connected. It looks like it should go in there like that. All right, let's fill this thing up. So I got about half full. Stick it in here. I think the weight of the fuel actually made that go. I don't think this is gonna light yet because it takes a minute for the wick to absorb. I'm gonna try it anyways. No. No, we're gonna wait. We're gonna give it a little few, like 5-10 minutes, and then I'm gonna try it again. So I just took the screen back off and everything. I put the lever all the way down. The wick's dry, but when you push it all down, you can see that's that noise. That butter's trying to burn. But I've decided I'm going to take, just to speed the process up a little bit, I'm going to take and just drip this oil on the wick itself, just to get it to, get the diesel fuel to soak into the wick faster. I don't know where that drains down to, but I'm sure I made a mess somewhere. Yeah, there it is. It goes right down to there. Alright, so let me get a rag. So I'm going to, without this on there, I'm going to see if it'll light, and it does. I'm going to pop it off. Alright, that's good for me. I'm going to pop this back on here. This. Just like that, nice and tight. When we light it, it's starting to burn. Nice clean flames down in there. Let it burn for a minute. Alright, so she's starting to glow. She's burning perfectly. You can see a little bit of flame at the top. No smell at all. It works perfect, guys. You can run these on diesel. Alright, I'll try to find this and put a link in the description below for you. Peace.